Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to access your wallet dashboard and manage your credit card payments on Amazon using a desktop browser. This is perfect if you want to set up your account for bill payments. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, go to the official Amazon website, and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the homepage, move your cursor to the top right corner over Hello, Account and Lists. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Your Account. On your main account registry page, look for the digital wallet options and click on Your Payments. This will bring you directly to your main wallet dashboard, just like the screen you see right here. As you can see on this tutorial dashboard, if you don't have a card linked yet, Amazon will show an empty wallet. To link your credit card for future bill payments, simply click on the button that says Add a payment method, or use the link on the left side under Cards and Accounts. Once you click that, a secure form will slide open. You will need to carefully type in your credit card number, the name on the card, and the expiration date, then click Add. Once your card is securely linked to your Amazon wallet, it will appear right here on this dashboard. From there, you can easily click on your card anytime to view statement balances, check due dates, enter a custom payment amount, and securely submit your monthly bill payments. For your safety, always make sure you are using the official Amazon URL before typing any financial details, and never share your password, PIN, or verification codes with anyone, and that's it. You now know how to navigate the Amazon wallet dashboard on your desktop. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.